What I love about racing Lilo here on the island is just the fact that they get to spend their childhood outside in the ocean or just like surrounded by nature. It's like we are living in paradise. We're extra happy that, they have the same love for the sport that both me and Pilmar loves. We are just teaching her that when you want to achieve something or when you want to achieve great things, there's discipline that Pilmar wants to instill in Lilo, but without taking away the joy that she feels whenever she serves.
What's your favorite surfer?
Sky Brown. Biglang tumabi si Sky, as in katabi talaga, ganito yung distance dito si Lilo. Sabi niya sa akin, Papa, Sky.
My hope for my children, especially for Lilo, is that as she takes on, this dream of hers to become surfing champion, I hope that she does it with her whole heart and that she does it happily.